Good morning everyone. Myself Ankita Das Srivastav and today we are going to do the book work of subtraction. So all of you take out your book Composite Mathematics and open page number 73. In page number 73 we have 1 digit and 2 digit numbers subtraction without borrowing. So you have to do the questions in your book, write in good handwriting. So, first question, you have to subtract 5 from 8. The answer, the second question, 88 and 24. You have to subtract 4 from 8. When you subtract 4 from 8, you get 4, and when you subtract 2 from 8 you get 6. So the answer is 64. Now the third one, 93 minus 22. So in this question you have to subtract 2 from 3. When you subtract 2 from 3 you get 1, and when you subtract 2 from 9 you get 7. So our answer is 71. So students, in this way, you have to do all the questions of this page. Now, turn the page, page number 79. In this page, we have 2-digit number subtraction with borrowing. So, in this first question, we have to subtract 28 from 53. As all of you know that 3 ones is smaller than 8 ones. So, we have to take 1/10, borrow from 5, and then the 3 ones will become 13, and then we have to subtract 8 ones from 13 ones. So, when we subtract 8 ones from 13 ones, we get 5, and here when we give 1 tens to 3, this 5 is 4 now. So, we have to subtract 2 from 4. So, answer is 25. Now, the second question, 41 and 17. So, you have to subtract 7 ones from 1 ones. As all of you know, 1 ones is smaller than 7 ones. So, we can take borrow from 4. So, we will take 1/10 borrow from 4. Then this 1 ones will become 11 ones. And then we will subtract 7 ones from 11 ones. So, when we subtract 7 from 11, we will get 4. And here, as we have given 1/10 to 1, we are here with only 3/10. So, we have to subtract 1 from 3. So, our answer is 24. Okay students, you have to do all the questions in the same way. Now, turn the page, page number 83. In this page, we have 3-digit number subtraction without borrowing. So, here we have to subtract 341 from 954. So, when you subtract 1 from 4, you get 3. When you subtract 4 from 5, you get 1. And when you subtract 3 from 9, you get 6. So, our answer is 613. Now, the second question, you have to subtract 536 from 678. So, when you subtract 6 from 8, you get 2. When you subtract 3 from 7, you get 4. And when you subtract 5 from 6, you get 1. So, our answer is 142. So, you have to do all these questions in the same way. And now, 3-digit number subtraction with borrowing. So, in this question, you have to subtract 375 from 640. Okay, so as this is visible to all of you that you can't subtract 5 from 0 ones. You can't subtract 5 ones from 0 ones. So you have to take 1/10 borrow from 4. When you take 1/10 borrow from 4, this 0 will become 10 and you have to subtract 5 from 10. When you subtract 5 from 10, you get 5 and in the tens, this 4 will become 3. And now you cannot subtract 7 from 3. So you have to take carry from 6. So when you take carry from 6, this 3 will become 13 and you have to subtract 7 from 13. When you subtract 7 from 13, you get 6. And in the same way, this 6 will become 5. So you have to subtract 3 from 5 and you get 2. So our complete answer is 265. One more question. You have to subtract 436 from 625. As this is visible to all of you that 5 is smaller than 6 and you cannot subtract 6 from 5. So you have to take carry from 2. When you take carry from 2, this 5 ones will become 15 and you will subtract 6 from 15. When you subtract 6 from 15, you get 9 and here this 2 will become 1. And when you carry from 6, this 1 will become 11 and then you have to subtract 3 from 11. When you subtract 3 from 11, you get 8. And now this 6 will become 5 and you have to subtract 4 from 5. When you subtract 4 from 5, you get 1. So our complete answer is 189. Now the next page is page number 87 and this is word problems. In this word problem, first one, a shopkeeper had 364 kites. He sold 187 kites. How many kites are still left? So you have to subtract 187 from 364. So first of all, you write H, T and O. Then below that write 364. Below 364 write 187. Now subtract. As all of you know that we cannot subtract 7 from 4. So we have to take carry from 6. When we take carry from 6, this 4 will become 14 and then you will subtract 7 from 14. When you subtract 7 from 14, you get 7 and then this 6 will become 5 and you cannot subtract 8 from 5. So we have to take carry from 3. So when you take carry from 3, this 5 will become 15 and then you will subtract 8 from 15. When you subtract 8 from 15, you get 7 and this 3 will become 2. Now you have to reduce 1 from 2. When you reduce 1 from 2, you get 177. So 177 kites are the answer. So students, you have to do all the questions in the same way. I hope that was interesting. All of you will understand. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.